Touch the Sky comes from the Disney film Brave, and it is one of my personal favourites. It's full of excitement and energy, but it does have a few tricky bits. Mainly because it starts right down here, okay? It starts a little bit lower in our register. So the first verse, we'll just do line by line so you can hear how it goes. Now, when we're singing lower, it's really important that you don't oversing. Try and think how you would speak the line. So when the cold winds are calling is roughly at the pitch that you would sing it. So then we're just gonna open up those notes a little bit more so they're a little bit longer so that it becomes part of the tune. So, when the cold winds are calling, your turn. When the cold winds are calling, and the sky is clear and bright, and the sky is clear and bright, misty mountains sing and beckon, misty mountains sing and beckon, lead me out into the light, lead me out into the light. And that's the main tune for the verse. So now that you've got that one, there's a couple of little changes later on, but the vast majority of it is exactly the same. When we get to the chorus, it goes like this. I will ride, I will fly. And that's going a little bit higher, so we want it nice and light. Keep those shoulders down, standing tall. I will ride, I will fly. And we're just going to open that jaw as well. Chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. And if you listen to the original track, at this point you'll hear na 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 na. And you might want to put that into your performance as well. You can have just one person singing it, you can have two, or you can even have a small group. As you go through the song, the tune stays fairly similar to what we've already looked at. The only main bits that change is towards the very end when you get and touch the sky. And it's really important we keep it really smooth. Try and do it in one breath as well. Chase the wind, chase the wind, touch the sky. And that last one is held on quite a long time. We want sky instead of sky. Can you hear how that's more closed up? Sky. So the very last bit goes again. And touch the sky. Chase the wind, chase the wind, touch the sky. And that's all of the song. So it's a really fun song. Have lots of fun with it, lots of energy, and really enjoy your singing in this particular song.